My name is Eliel Zikum, and I'm a wealth manager consultant.
What is the biggest money mistake you made in college?
Biggest money mistake. I think in college every spring break I went to travel. Like I did Thailand, I did Cancun, I did Cancun again, and then I did it a third time. So I think that was definitely, all those trips, just those flights, that was the most expensive thing I did. And I feel like I could have saved that money or even, put it aside, invested it, did something more reasonable with it. But the experience was there and I want that experience. So yeah, that was probably definitely the biggest mistake.
What is the best purchase you ever made?
Best purchase was probably when I was 18. I bought a Honda Accord. Like I met somebody on for Craigslist, drove up to Linwood, bought a Honda Accord, and I thugged it out with that Honda Accord all through college. It was like a '01 Honda Accord, and that saved me money on gas, insurance, everything. So
now you know a little bit more about Honda Accord.
hella proud that, unfortunately I just sold it recently because it broke down on me, but it was a nice car. I loved it, and yeah, that was probably my best financial move.
Did your parents talk openly about money?
Yeah, they told me, make sure to save your money for a rainy day. Don't go out here, flexing your money, spending it, and just kind of tell me the basics of kind of saving it, and yeah.
Do you feel like you are financially literate?
I feel like I thought I was until I took that quiz. But yeah, I feel like probably more financially literate than the average.
Okay. And what is the worst financial advice you've ever received?
Worst financial advice I ever received is that you have to save up a whole bunch of money to start investing. You could really start investing, with whatever. You could start with $50. You could start with, any type of amount. You could really start getting into investing. You could learn the ropes of it. You could even do, that type of investing. I forget the app's name, but where you don't have to put physical money in there to invest. It teaches you kind of how to, you could put certain stocks in your portfolio and stuff like that, and so basically, just get, yeah. So, yeah, I don't know the word. I don't know the name for it, but yeah, that's the one.
You're good. Okay.
Yeah.
That's it?
I bet.
You did well.
Appreciate it.